What's up YouTube, Seth here from How To Knots, back with another knot tutorial. It's been a minute, but we're back. We're going to try and get some knot videos going again. Today we're going to show you how to displace a fray in your rope. So your rope's basically brand new again. Because it would suck to have to buy a new rope just for a little fray like this. I just cut this rope up just so you can see, because if you put tension it's going to snap. So we can displace this and then have a brand new rope basically just with this one knot, the Alpine Butterfly. I've shown tutorials before, but I'm just going to show you with an actual frayed rope here so you understand how to tie it and where to put it. So the knot is super easy. It just starts with 3 wraps around your hand just like this. But what's really important is that you take the fray and you get it in the middle of your hand on the second wrap. So we're going to start here. We're just going to throw it over. Okay, we're going to get that fray right in the middle of our hand on that second wrap there, and then we're going to go again. Okay, so 3 times. Now this knot is really easy. You're just going to take the fray and this middle rope here and go underneath that first line there, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over both and then go under again. So I'm going to take this over both of them and then under, okay? And then grab it there. And then all you can do is you can grab these, and I can grab this one and I can just pull, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're just going to pull the sides like this, and it makes that like butterfly, okay? There's the butterfly. And then as you can see now, the fray is at the very bottom of this loop. And what's really interesting is I can pull as hard as I want, and there is absolutely no tension on this loop. It's not doing anything anymore. The entire knot is just displacing this whole loop. So all the tension is going here. So that's how you basically have a brand new rope now, even though you had a frayed line. Yeah, with the Alpine Butterfly. Simply to get it undone, you just take these butterflies, you just like pull them back like this, then you can slip this through, okay? Same thing, pull it back, slip it through. There it is. You can tie it one more time slowly for you guys just so you can see. Again, fray in the middle, okay? One more time, fray under. Okay, over both, and then under again. Pull, and then butterfly. There it is. There's the fray. Brand new rope. Amazing. If you like this tutorial and you want us to keep making videos, smash that like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.